Good evening to all. Myself Sultan Ahmed, and the topic of my presentation is corroboration of knowledge network and e-learning system with social sites for teaching and learning. In this presentation, I would be covering introduction to research work, objective of my present work, SOA web services for collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system, explanation of overall system architecture, comparative study of e-learning and social networking tools, results and discussion, methodology, conclusion, and lastly the references. Introduction to research work. In this research work, we are providing a modularized tool which will fulfill to the needs of the organization with minimal cost and high returns with zero maintenance cost. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning environment cater the teacher and students knowledge discovery and knowledge sharing. The software will be providing sharing of contents and information among the students and teachers. It will bridge the gap between the need to the day and the cost. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning systems, web services for teaching, learning can be a boon for the society, enhancing the green computing infrastructure. Now the objective of present work. The object of the work is to provide a collaborative knowledge network and e-learning systems, web services for knowledge discovery, knowledge sharing and collaboration. It will reduce the recurring cost of the educational institutions. It will provide the functionalities of e-learning and knowledge management to the educational institutions. It will cooperate between each phase of e-learning and knowledge management. SOA web services for collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system. Some of the functionalities which will be provided as a service in the collaborative knowledge network and e-learning environment are as follows. It will register new user from Facebook or Twitter or Flickr or Gmail to knowledge network environment and vice versa. It will design timetable and publish it on social networks. It will publish class on knowledge network, repository and social sites. It will create groups on social sites using either e-learning tool or using knowledge management system. It will add students to knowledge network on the social networking sites groups. It will publish learning object repositories to the social networks. It will prepare pages, create an e-learning tool and publish the same to the social networking sites. Collaborative knowledge mapping and the e-learning system to impart extrinsic knowledge stored as a learning object inside the e-learning tool to social site can be done. It will also use knowledge sharing to share the information and publish to social networking website. It will search for any topic of interest related to the source and course and add it to your social page and publish to the group with the help of knowledge metadata repository. We can get latest information of our course from various sources like blogs, newspapers, scientific journals, research papers on this network group. Result analysis on knowledge mapping tool and publish the research to social networking sites can be done. Now the explanation of overall system architecture. The software is providing a modularized workflow for designing the collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system in any organization. The software will be providing a mechanism for user to create and update online content in a bottom-up fashion. An interface bus created will link the web services to the social networking websites. The content generation web service helps the faculty members to generate and edit their content online. The explicit knowledge of producer, that are teachers or students, can be extracted and shared to consumer. That means teacher or students by using K-means data mining algorithm. This is the architecture of the software which we are designed. Users create their groups on social websites like Facebook or Twitter. We have API which will connect to metadata repository and the knowledge is shared between metadata repository and these groups. Also, we can exchange information between metadata repository and learning object repository through exchange layer which will be in the XML format. That means knowledge management software manage the metadata repository following the doubling goal metadata initiative specification and common exchange layer between knowledge management and e-learning tool pass the learning object repository information stored in LMS to the knowledge management system and vice versa. Now the comparative study of e-learning and social networking tools. We compare the study of e-learning tools like Moodle, Blackboard with the SNTTL. The results of utilization of the contents by the students for Blackboard or Moodle was not found satisfactory, and the graph has been compared on the next slide between SNTTL and Moodle or Blackboard. The result of utilization of SNTTL was highest compared to other e-learning tool available in the market. The SNTTL will provide us an educated environment with the social networking tools. This is the graph between the SNTTL and Moodle or Blackboard. These are the results which we have obtained for the online quiz conducted using social networking tool, that means Facebook, and these are the results or discussion. We also using the software we can have online lecture notes like videos, PPT, PDF, document. These are the list of users which we can access the online teaching contents. Now the methodology. The methodology we are using here is waterfall methodology, and as we also know, all projects can be managed better when segmented into a hierarchy of chunks such as phases, stages, activities, tasks, and steps. In system development projects, the simple rendition of this is called the waterfall methodology. The software which we are using is designed using service-oriented architecture concept. All the web services are individually designed and can communicate with each other. Lastly, the conclusion. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning system with social sites for teaching and learning will provide a bridging gap between the student and instructor and enhance the higher education. All the modules of tool are web services, and they are easy to integrate, and plugin modules are available as and when required by the end users. Software will be available 24/7 without any maintenance and deployment cost. It will improve the usability of the contents created by the faculty members. These are the references that I have used in preparing this software. Thank you. If you have any query, you can mail me your query on my Gmail account, that is sltnahmed472@gmail.com. Thank you very much.